Hello, welcome to the CyberVault Discovery Technology Overview. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through our discovery technology and show you how it helps companies of any size to monitor their networks at scale. CyberVault Discovery Sensor can monitor hosts from both the public internet and from the company internal networks. By scanning the company's internet-facing servers, Discovery can find open vulnerabilities that are known to any attacker on the internet. It is very important to treat these vulnerabilities with utmost urgency and care. Discovery will also monitor all internal networks of an organization. It supports horizontal scaling, which allows it to monitor at scale even the largest networks. The Discovery Sensor can monitor any physical network, such as office networks, remote sites, and data center networks. It can also monitor with ease any cloud network, such as Google Cloud Platform, AWS, Azure, or DigitalOcean. Additionally, Discovery can monitor virtual networks, such as networks defined for virtual machines, Docker containers, and software-defined networks. The Discovery Sensor can monitor any internet-facing servers, including the company website, production software, public VPNs, and customer portals. It can also monitor internal networks and all devices attached to them, such as servers, workstations, firewalls, routers, switches, laptops, and mobile devices, users' personal devices, and all IoT devices that are connected to the network. Because CyberVault Discovery monitors all network-connected devices continuously, it can find devices 24/7. It can then run vulnerability discovery 24/7, and it can find open ports on devices 24/7. This allows the Discovery Sensor to find suspicious devices and open ports that appear on the network at any hour of the week, such as ports and vulnerabilities that appear for a short period of time at odd hours of the day or night. As soon as a new device is connected to the network, the Discovery Sensor will recognize it and launch an open port and vulnerability scan. IoT devices are also discovered and scanned continuously, allowing you to understand your vulnerability exposure in all company networks. Discovery can also find user devices that are not approved by the IT team of your organization, including mobile devices, tablets, and personal laptops. CyberVault Discovery achieves its 24/7 scalable monitoring by using an advanced network packet distribution technology. It scans all TCP and UDP ports continuously 24/7. It is an extremely parallel system that can scan thousands of hosts and open ports at the same time. It has a sensing system that allows it to automatically adjust its scanning throughput based on the target devices. It has built-in rate limiter that adjusts the total bandwidth that is produced over time. It takes detailed round-trip packet timing measurements in order to automatically adjust the scanning process. It also self-throttles the scan based on its continuous measurements of the scan impact. And finally, it has a fine-grained concurrency controls which allow for configuring the amount of network concurrency in order to achieve the optimum network monitoring efficiency. This allows CyberVault Discovery to scan simultaneously large networks at scale and detect changes 24/7. The Discovery Sensor sends all data to the CyberVault Cloud instance using an HTTPS encrypted and authenticated connection. All data is encrypted in transit as it leaves the company premises. The CyberVault customer instance is deployed on Google Cloud Platform and uses state-of-the-art security and access controls. It follows cybersecurity best practices and is compliant with all regulations. The data is then analyzed through our powerful analytics engine in order to extract insights and create useful reports. CyberVault Discovery supports all major operating systems, including Windows 10 and 11, and Windows Server 2012 through 2022. It also supports Mac OS X and all Linux variants, including CentOS, Debian, and Ubuntu. It can be deployed on virtual machines and Docker containers. The CyberVault Discovery finds service-level vulnerabilities and their associated CVE numbers. It directly links to the National Vulnerability Database and helps provide detailed information on all found vulnerabilities. It also finds protocol-level vulnerabilities and provides guidelines on how to resolve them. Finally, the Discovery sensor can find security misconfigurations such as expired TLS certificates or insecure TLS ciphers. CyberVault Discovery can also organize all found open ports using Nmap's most frequently attacked port statistics. This way, all open ports can be prioritized by the likelihood of being attacked. The ports table allows you to see what port is the most open port across all network devices. The network host view allows you to see all found network devices and all of their open ports. You can sort devices by number of vulnerabilities or number of open ports. Because CyberVault Discovery monitors the network continuously, it also records the entire network history. You can see the network at any point in time by clicking on the interactive graph. You can inspect the state of the network at a previous point in time, including the number of vulnerabilities at that time, the number of open ports, and all live hosts. This can be invaluable when investigating an incident and conducting forensics analysis. Most importantly, CyberVault Discovery can help you answer very important questions about your network. Some examples of these questions are: do we have unrecognized devices on our networks? What devices connected to our networks outside of work hours? Are we susceptible to the new OpenSSL vulnerability, and which devices have this issue? Are our IoT devices opening up additional attack surface on our network? Are our printers vulnerable? How proactive are we in reducing risk month over month? How many vulnerabilities are we closing month over month? What open ports we can close that will reduce our attack surface the most? How many mobile devices, Wi-Fi devices, VPN devices, and wired devices do I have on my network at any point in time? How many cloud VMs and containers we have running at all times, and what vulnerabilities and open ports they have? CyberVault Discovery is a powerful network monitoring technology that helps organizations keep up with their entire network infrastructure at scale.